Our 4-day road trip through the desert. How'd the car rental go?
Car rental went like butter smooth, baby.
Do we have the most beautiful car in the world?
I don't know, I haven't seen it yet.
Oh, it's beautiful. It's white. Looks so good in the desert. We're back in a car.
Rumble.
I remember the last time we drove a car. So good. Alright, to the grocery store because we're camping in our car for a couple of days. About all of the wonderful things we just bought in our basket, but Oman is not cheap, and neither was this food. We had to give up Reese's, give up shampoo.
We are set up for the next 12 days.
12 days, babe?
Okay, maybe like 5.
I'm gonna have to stop him from eating every single thing in this basket for the next 24 hours because it's supposed to last us at least 48.
Eating is like a hobby and a competitive sport for me.
Who are you competing against? Help me, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. Tyler's really happy. Ashley's really happy. It is just how people said online. You can walk out and go anywhere with your car, park it, and then your camping spot is done. Anywhere, literally. It's not as beachy as we thought it was gonna be. There is some spots with sand, but it's mostly rock. It is like we're in Mars.
We're so close to the edge that we may sleep drive and fall off.
No, but I might have a good dream about it. Jumping, you know, into your arms. Oh! It's prayer time.
They stopped the radio to announce the sunset prayer time.
This is gonna be nice.
The country. From Al Dahira to Al Sharqiya, Masandam to Dhofar, and everywhere in between.
This even pops up here.
It's meant to do that.
No way.
Oh.
I have an idea.
I see what you're doing. Hold on. You couldn't have thought of that like 10 minutes ago? This is brilliant! Oh my God, sleeping in your car just got all-star, baby!
Birds are diving for breakfast. It's also our time for breakfast. How was last night? First night in the car?
Very, very hot.
Turned the car on a few times to cool off, but other than that, it wasn't a bad night of sleep.
Tonight I'm gonna put my hair up.
Breakfast time, and then we're gonna map out the rest of our day. Go see a sinkhole, some wadis, and go get in the water. Go get in some wawa. Do some swimming. Breakfast time. Breakfast time.
Will we share?
We can share. Oh, here comes his friend. And another friend.
We're not sharing.
We're not sharing anymore. We are in Oman, eating cereal out of a pan, sleeping in a car. It's parked on a cliff, watching goats.
Incredible.
You would not believe this water. It feels like fresh water, but it tastes like salt water. Perfect temperature.
It's a sinkhole is where we're at. The first stop on our road trip is the Bimmah Sinkhole.
If you guys have never heard of this, I'm sure you have actually seen pictures of it at some point
Time
in your life.
magazine,
That's something.
a lot of things.
You've seen it.
And Tyler is about to go jump off of.
I'm actually really nervous. We jumped off like the smaller ones back there earlier, and that wasn't even a quarter of the way up, and that felt pretty high. I would totally be lying if I said that I was not nervous to do this.
But we just met someone who he says he's done it several times, so now I might do it now.
Ooh, really, babe?
Yeah, I had to bring the camera down first, but yeah.
Oh gosh. It's the only thing that's stopping us. It's not even telling us not to. This is very hot. We're at the tree?
We're at the tree, that's the landmark.
Alright. Okay, that is definitely the highest anything I have ever jumped off of. I felt myself catching wind as I was falling. It's that high.
This one's for the ladies.
If we weren't already married, I'd probably ask you to marry me now. Dangerous, yes. Would you hurt yourself? Yes. Is it a good idea? Maybe not. Should you do it? How's it going, Evil Knievel? How you feeling?
I'm hungry.
Ashlei is so much more coy about this. I jump and I scream and holler and yell and freak out. I get down to the bottom. I'm hungry. Alright, so whenever you do come to the Bimmah Sinkhole, you may be a little surprised whenever you're driving up that it's maintained and made like a park. And don't be discouraged, because once you get down to it, it is still absolutely beautiful and so much fun. You'll appreciate it, I promise.
Yeah, you don't even see all of this when you're down there. It was really disappointing when we walked up.
We weren't expecting, we thought it was gonna be in the middle of the desert and then just like water, hole. If you come in the morning though, you'll probably be the only one here by yourself. Ashlei and I had about 30 minutes when we were just, there was nobody and it was complete silence.
It's awesome. Down there, the world disappears and only you exist. And those people that are with you down there. We've got sheep, people, we've got sheep. We have so far seen goats, sheep, camels,
Fish,
chicken,
and camels.
Oh, good birds. I said camels.
You said
I said camel. Birds, really cool birds.
Very cool birds here.
Good wildlife, Oman. So we're currently going through a town. We're trying to find a sit-down restaurant to charge our cameras.
The car that we booked was supposed to have a 3-prong little plug-in, but naturally that didn't happen.
It doesn't. And we are definitely stuck.
Took a wrong turn.
Or 3.
Move, goat!
Goats. And it's literally a one-way road, so we're going down here.
Yeah.
He's smart to have a bicycle. Guys, don't think you know the way when you don't. Because
don't think you know what you don't think you know, because you probably don't know.
Exactly. I'm glad you get me. Coffee shop, cattle feed shop. We had to pull up in front of this trash can right here because they got a plug and he said it's no problem.
Awesome.
Some coffee in bed.
Ashlei has to hide her little adapter charger multi-plug thing because she dropped it whenever we were in Australia, and now it makes a sound every time we turn it on. It makes a sound until it gets happy, and then it becomes quiet. It's happy. It's happy.
Now we can't let it touch anything else or it gets sad again. It didn't charge all the way. So we're gonna have to be a little stingy on the vlogging, or just really good at what we do. We've gotta go camp. We've gotta find firewood, which Tyler's really concerned about.
We gotta, well, yeah, I haven't seen any trees at all except for little bushes.
I've seen a lot of little bushes.
Oh. Hey. What is your job?
Firewood!
Firewood!
These trees are covered in thorns. Oh my god! I got it. Yeah, I got it. I got it. You said we couldn't find firewood. Sunburn Ashley is here to rescue the day.
We're gonna be able to cook like chicken or vegetable, like a piece.
I honestly don't know if there's enough for all the things we want to make, but I'll find more. Let's start with this.
Good job, babe.
Woo, baby!
We did it. Awesome.
Beef cooking.
I mean, what you making? Some like, it's like a little burger or something?
No, it smells good. We don't really know what we bought, but it smells great.
We just know that it's some kind of beef. So Tyler thought that he was really cool and really smart and could make a fire and start it using the cigarette lighter and some toilet paper from the car. Sadly, that was not the truth. Ashley, being the amazing wife and the amazing person that she is,
Oh, Tyler's in such a nice mood.
she remembered to keep matches that we bought in Australia. They were just souvenir matches. Ashley did not send them home. They were kept for a reason. One match, one and done.
Woohoo! I just need some more wood.
Oh, it's going out. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, goodbye. Beautiful sunrise. Goodbye. Really good camping spot. Number two. Tonight, we'll be in the desert. We can't go to the wadi that we went to right now because it doesn't open for another 45 minutes. But we're gonna get out, see if there's coffee, see if there's anything. Coffee.
You can easily spend all day
there.
at this wadi.
Because I'm not wearing the appropriate clothing for this country or this religion.